Greetings, punters. Ben here. We are drawing Punt 583, which is Kevin's Thor 337, first appearance of Beta Ray Bill. Alrighty. Yes, thank you for that one, Tim. Alright, we are live. And it is 2:45 in the afternoon. And the world clock in Canberra says it is, well, 2:46 in the afternoon. So there you go. Yep, 2:45. All right. 60 spots, starting with Deej. Yep. At 60. And, oh, jeez. What's going on with my mouse? Let's try that again. Alright. Oh, come on. What is going on? It's about time I invested in a new mouse. Alright. Dak at number 1. And Don at 60. Alright, after that, mouse drama, Dak at number 1. And no blanks, no gaps, down to stage 60. Alright, we have our 60. We have a 3 dice roll. Alright, 4 and 5 is 9 and 3 is 12. 3 and 5 is 8 and 4 is 12. 12 times, here we go. It's 1. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. It's 8. It's 9. Alright, 10 times. 5, 4, 9, 3 is 12. We have 2 to go. Okay, penultimate. Okay, 11 times. 1 more for the win. So this is it for the Thor 337. Here we go. Alrighty, let's see. And the winner of the Thor book is... And it is... Dun, 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 Mick Crisoli. Well done, Mick. Congrats. Get in contact with Kevin to claim your book. All right, we are done. Thanks for playing, everyone. Catch you next time.